Welcome to Assurity by Graybridge Software. In this quick tutorial, we are going to look at how to add a local resource to your project. Then we will see how to assign these resources to tasks as you create them. And finally, we show you a convenient way to reassign several tasks to a resource. Let's take a look at a project that already has 4 tasks created. You will notice the tasks are assigned to TBD or To Be Determined User. To prevent tasks from slipping through the crack, Assurity requires all tasks to be assigned to a resource. Let's click the Resource tab. This tab is where you will add additional resources to your project. The Add icon allows you to add a local resource. A local resource is somebody only used on this project. You can also see the TBD resource has 4 tasks assigned to it. As you resource a project, this tab will allow you to quickly determine if any tasks are slipping through the cracks by showing you how many tasks are assigned to TBD. Let's click on the Add button to add a couple of resources. This brings up the Add Resource dialog. Similar to the Add Task dialog, this dialog has a button to cancel and continue on, save the current resource and continue on, or if you need to add a bunch of resources, use the Save and Add Another button, which will keep the dialog active. Let's use the Save and Add Another and keep the default values. Now let's save the second resource. At this point, we have 3 resources: TBD, Resource 1, and Resource 2. We are now going to go back to the Task tab. Let's add a new task and show how it can be reassigned to a different resource. Click the Add New Task button. In the Add Task dialog, you will see the pull-down for who the task is assigned to. You can now select from the pull-down menu any of the resources we have added in the Resource tab. Let's assign it to the first resource and save. You can see in the Details section the task has been added to the project and is assigned to the correct resource. Sometimes, when planning a project, you may not initially care about resource assignments. However, at some point, you want to assign the task to the project team members. This is accomplished with the Reassign button. This works by selecting the task you wish to reassign. Then you click the Reassign button and select the resources from the drop-down menu. The selected tasks are now assigned to the resource you selected. To find out more, please visit us at www.gbsware.com.